Good morning from Yakima. We're at Hidden Treasures thrift store, estate sales, and we're going to go ride along with Scott today, and we're going to go get a tractor and then pick up some fruit bins for the farm. Tractor's loaded up, we're heading out. We're back at Hidden Treasures. We'll drop the tractor off here. Get the little tractor unloaded. I want to go pick up some fruit bins. We got 12 bins on. I'm going to move it around the front and add some more straps. Now we got the bins, and I'm going to shut the gate and be on our way. Back on the farm, the bins. Now we just got to offload them. Then I got to go back to town and get my Tahoe. We got the 12 bins unloaded. There's still a few more we may go pick up Saturday. We're back at Hidden Treasures thrift store in Yakima. So this ends my time here. We're heading back to the farm. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.